Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to this quick virtual walk around of the Fiat Tipo 1.4 litre Lounge Edition. The Tipo is not actually a car that's commonly seen now. It is quite a thing of the past, or just one that you don't see frequently on Britain's road, but it does represent great value and a great choice for those after a very budget friendly, economical, great performing and spacious practical family car that's not going to cost the earth to insure, tax and service. And for me, I think it's a fantastic little bit of kit, and these are the reasons why. So moving down, you can see you've got your headlights just here. You've also got your daytime runners, and you can see down here you've got your front fog lights as well. You've got that gorgeous chrome surround against the black plastic and the dark blue, which is metallic, which of course gives it that real signature edge. You've got the gorgeous, just on there you can see, you've got the horizontal slats finished in different sizes, a bit like the Mercedes-Benz sweeping diamond pendant grille, and you've got the honeycomb take on the grille with the sports bumpers as well. Moving around, you can see you've got your alloy wheels, which are of course a 17-inch twin Y-spoke, and then you move around and you've got your extended side skirt, chrome door handles, chrome on the surround against the gloss black B pillars, and you can see you've also got your body coloured door mirror with black plastic surround. You've got your side repeater just here, and then we move around the Tipo. It's quite a big car actually in terms of being a hatchback. It's a 4-door. It's very similar to a Mercedes B-Class or a 2 Series from BMW. Up top you can see here you've got tinted C-pillar in black. You've also of course got your lip spoiler with high level brake light, rear wiper. Then we move down, you've got your nice angled headlights on the rear, and you've got your rear parking sensors. Black plastic down here on your bumper and reflectors on the side as well. On the boot you can see you lift it up underneath just there, and you're greeted by a huge amount of space, more than able to fit in anything that you'd need. For me at the minute, if I was using this, it would be bikes, go-karts, pets, wives, because sometimes you don't want them up front, picnic baskets, strollers, buggies, anything at all that you want in there. It's a real long and real deep boot, so you could stack things on there as well. And if you haven't got enough room, there is storage around your donut wheel and of course your spare toolkit as well. You can see here you have got a 12-volt charger as well. Now it's not an electric boot, it is of course a push down boot, and when you do it you'll see you do also have a reverse camera fitted on there as well. And moving around you can see the Tipo again. It's just a great style car for what it is, and for the price it's extremely good value for money and a very practical, spacious option when it comes to a family hatchback that's not going to break the bank. So that's the exterior done. Let's head on inside now and show you all the features, including some pretty big brand names as well. And as an interior, the Fiat Tipo looks a little bit like this. I bet that is a lot different to what you expected. You can see here you've got the cloth seating, bolstered seats here, you've got the checkered design in the middle, you've also got the white contrast stitching, you got on there as well, you can see the manual adjustment. You've also got your function here for your lumbar support. You move around, you can see you've got your half leather, half cloth, electrically adjustable windows, you've got electric mirrors, and then we come in to your steering wheel, analog gauges, TomTom sat nav, yep, sat nav, really cool. And then in the back you can see you've got loads and loads of room in there, both Isofix seating and plenty of leg room as well. The rear seats of course fold down as well for extra room. So here we are now on the inside, and you can see The Tipo, the Fiat, however you want to say it, is a real cool place to be. Starting up here, you've got the grain effect on the leather all the way across the dashboard. You can see it runs into the passenger door card, accentuated by that gloss black and chrome. Really smart. Of course, you've got your touchscreen sat nav, aircon, and then we move on to the clock. So we'll turn it on, foot on the brake, foot on the clutch. Turn it on, you can see it starts up, no issues, no problem first time. On there you have of course got your analog dash on the clock. It's a fixed unit, so you've got the black faces, white and orange contrast font and needling, and of course you've got your digital information in the middle. If you use the button on the left, you can scroll down through the different options. You've got your DAB, so you've got vehicle info, tyre pressure, oil temperature, battery charge, and of course service, which isn't due for just under a year. Audio, got navigation. Now that of course isn't a virtual cockpit. What that is that will just give you an indication of any instructions you need to follow when you've got a routing. You've got your alerts if there's any issues, and of course vehicle setup. You click on there, you've got your display screen setup, phone, navigation. You've also got your security, airbags, speed beep, safety and assistance. You've got your buzzer volume just on there, and again you can scroll all the way down. If you go on, you've got your digital speedo there. You can see you've got your trip computers as well. Got all your different options all the way across. Really impressive. And moving down from that, auto high beam as given by this light just here. High beam headlights, indicators of course, and on this one you have of course got your front and rear wiper. Moving down, you've got your fog light control, traction control and TPMS set just here. And then you move on to the steering wheel, finished in leather, which is a real nice option for a car of its value. Obviously here you've got the instrument cluster display, voice control, volume control, and of course your Bluetooth telephone. And on this side you've got your cruise control. Wheel is finished with the concave and the black satin here, which gives it a real nice aesthetic. Now moving across, you can see that grained leather just here. And then you move down, electrically adjustable mirrors, electric window, and of course deadlock for the windows as well just here. And then we got onto the media system, really cool. The sat-nav is of course from TomTom, who are the market leaders, so there's no qualms about the quality or the ease of use. Go on radio, if you click on this here, you can see you've got AM, FM and DAB, of which you'll only ever want DAB. Media, you click on source, you've got USB, auxiliary and Bluetooth. Navigation, again just there. Bluetooth telephone, and you can go on the apps and you can change certain things. You've got your compass, you've got your clock, you've got your trip, and of course you've got your Uconnect Live on there as well. But for us, we're going to keep it just on the nav system. And we move down from there, you've got your air vents of course, which show where the air is distributed. You've got city mode here, which when you click it, you can see it illuminates in the instrument cluster display. That just gives you tighter steering and a more nimble body for manoeuvring around tight areas. Deadlock, you've got your passenger airbag warning, hazard lights, and you've got your single zone aircon here. Temperature can be changed on the left dial, of course moving it to the right hand side or down as you would see on here turns it up, to the left or up obviously it makes it colder. Air conditioning on or off, you can see max aircon, heated front screen, heated rear screen. Turn the whole system off using that button here, where the air is distributed using these buttons, and of course how much air is portrayed into the cabin and recirculating using that. Moving down, you've got 12 volt charger, auxiliary and USB, storage, and a manual gear gator, black with the black leather, and of course you can see satin black surround with the chrome, leather head, pearl and chrome on there as well. Now to put it in reverse, simply lift it up, push it to the right, push it down, and you'll know because your reverse camera comes on and your parking sensors sound as well. Moving down from there, that is of course encased in that grain leather handbrake, chrome head, dual cup holder and openable storage in there for your phone and main all your belongings. You've also on there got the gorgeous sport seating, so it's a cloth seating. You can see it's got the checkered design in the middle, white stitching, really good condition. And in the rear you've got full Isofix tri seating, and again great condition overall. And down there plenty of legroom for rear occupants. So for me, there's not actually all this awesome offering from the Italian brand. It's great if you've got a family, great if you're after space, great if you're looking for something that's got enough tech to appease anybody, and great if you're looking for a real good value car that will last you a long time. And part of that reassurance of knowing that is of course that it has been treated to the 128 point Emerald check prior to retailing. Now what that means is it's been given a cosmetic and mechanical check at our on-site RAC approved facility, and of which you can see the results on our advert under vehicle inspection sheet. And if you are looking at purchasing this via finance, PCP, HP, or you're looking to part exchange and give us a bit of cash, then that is no problem, because we are able to do that. As Used Car Retailer of the Year for 2021, we pride ourselves on our customer experience. So get in touch with myself, Greg, there's Tommy P, or there is Queen of the Showroom, Victoria, and we'll be more than happy to discuss this Fiat in greater detail. For me, I'm off to do another video. I'll see you soon.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight millions, straight millions.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the
11.
But it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
Don't argue with 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'll give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.